In this video, I'm going to give you the 3-step formula on how to go from 0 to 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just 7 days. This is a secret YouTube hack that I wish I knew about, but it doesn't matter because I found out about it, and guess what? I'm going to tell you. Keep watching. What is going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kirshana Sykes, and I am very excited to have you here. Now, this channel is all about making money online, and if that is your focus as well, then I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then make sure that you hit the bell notification button so you get all of the videos that I come out with. Now, if you're an online marketer, or if you're an entrepreneur, you're looking for a way to make passive income, my #1 recommendation for passive income is going to be in the description below, that first link there. So make sure you check it out when you get some time. This video is for my new YouTubers, for those who are really kind of struggling and having some problems with going from 0 or a few subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. That's what we're going to focus on in this video. So make sure that you stick around because I'm going to give you step by step exactly what to do, because that's really one of the hardest tasks when you're building your YouTube channel, is to get to that 1,000 YouTube mark. And I came across this strategy that you can implement as soon as you get off of this video. Like I said, I wish I had this secret YouTube hack, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to give it to you. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the steps. Step number 1 is to search YouTube for 3 to 5 YouTubers that are in your niche, that are absolutely crushing it out and have hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of YouTube subscribers. Now, these people, I call them kingpins. So you want 3 to 5 kingpins, but the key is that you make sure that they are within your niche. Your niche simply means the type of videos or the type of YouTube channel that you are trying to build. They also have that same type of YouTube channel, those same type of videos. They have the subscribers that you want. So you want to make sure that you seek them out. Then you want to subscribe to their channels, and you also want to hit the bell notification button on each one of their channels so that whenever they come out with a new video, you're going to be notified right away. Step number 2, you want to be the first person or first couple of people that actually post on their YouTube video. And that's why it's so key for you to turn their notification button on, because as soon as they come out with a new video, you're going to get an alert on your phone or on your computer. So as soon as you get that alert, you're going to go right over to that YouTube video and you're going to comment on that video. The goal is for you to be one of the first to comment on that video. Step number 3 is to comment and be one of the first to comment whenever one of those kingpins come out with a new video. So I'm going to show you exactly what to say. Okay, so I'm in YouTube right now, and I was just looking for gamer channels. It's not my niche, but I'm using it as an example. And I came across this guy, Ethan Gamer, who has 2.5 million subscribers. So if I'm into gaming, then I definitely want to follow this guy because of all the subscribers that I can actually tap into. Now, once he releases a new video, you get your alert, you're going to hop right over to his channel. And this is exactly what you want to say. Ethan Gamer is the best gamer YouTube channel out there. I have started my own channel. You want to put your channel link there to show even more Ethan Gamer highlights. Come check it out, and I always follow back. So let's break this down a little bit in step number 3. The first thing you want to do is you want to acknowledge Ethan's channel, and you want to make sure that you give it a compliment. So you're doing it by saying Ethan Gamer is the best gamer YouTube channel. The second thing that you want to do in this step is you want to introduce your channel and provide the link to everyone else. So you're doing it here. The third thing you're doing in this step is you're saying, hey, come check it out. This is a call to action. Hey, come check it out And then number 4, the reward for them checking it out is, hey, you subscribe to my channel, I'm going to subscribe back to your channel. So once you do this, you want to click on comment, and you're going to be one of the first to actually comment. What's going to happen is, as Ethan Gamer gets these 25,642 comments, all of them are going to see your comment. Okay, and if the comment is a really good comment and you get a lot of traction, people are replying on it, people are liking the comment, then it's going to be shown to more people. It's what is called upvote. Okay, so this is another secret as well. What you can do is, if you have some friends or some family, some people that can actually support your comment, you can have them hop on your comment, like the comment, maybe even reply to it, because what that tells the YouTube algorithm is that this comment is very popular, and YouTube is all about the user experience. So whatever people show YouTube that they like, they're going to show more of it. So if people like your comment, they're going to show more of it. Maybe your comment will actually be pinned. But the ultimate goal is to get eyeballs on your comment. When you get eyeballs on your comment, people are going to go to your channel. When they go to your channel, they're going to subscribe. But you just have to make sure that you follow back like you said that you were going to do. So that is the 3-step formula to go from 0 to 1,000 YouTube subscribers with this simple YouTube hack in just 3 easy steps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you implement this right away, and comment below. Let me know, how you're doing, if this is working, how quickly you have built up your YouTube subscribers. And of course, if you like this video, you enjoy the content, the 3-step formula that I gave you, let me know in the comments. Like the video, because liking the video gets it out to the public. So I would appreciate it if you do that. Make sure you share it out as well. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. I'll see you guys on the next video.